Hey guys, I'm down here. Kids are just right up that way. I thought I'd just go ahead and walk down the creek a little bit here. Just popped a deer up. She took off up the hill. A little bitty one too. As we get farther down here in these woods, this here's behind a friend of ours that I go ginseng hunting all the time, Mr. Gerhardt's land right there. This area used to be a lot deeper than this. Amazing how things change. Really rocky around through here too. I walk through here, I kind of make a little noise so I can get any vipers that might be laying around. Heads up, I'm on my way, get the hell out. I thought I'd just walk down this way a little bit and check things out. Sometimes I can get lucky and we'll catch a turkey, or just like I seen a second ago, a deer just jumped up. Probably thinking, damn you, I was relaxing. Be some interesting wildlife down through here. I'd love to get a picture of a bobcat down here. Just read in the paper they found one that had been hit on the road. Estimated about 20 pounds. Pretty healthy kitty. That's one that probably ain't gonna let you scratch him behind the ears. Then again, if I was to find a little den of little kittens, I would take a nice quick picture and then get the hell out of there. Mama may not be nice. Okay, so I don't have to walk and talk till I get down a little farther and find something interesting. Peace.